A 4.6% drop in Uniswap is likely tomorrow, according to 30 rates. To begin, let's check the current market development. Uniswap has weakened by 2.6% since yesterday and is now holding around $3.515. Now, let's look at what the analysts expect. Tomorrow, 30 rates expects the asset to trade around $3.354, down by 4.6%. Traders Union projects Uniswap to move downward toward $3.454, a projected loss close to 1.7%. CoinCodex highlights a potential move up to $3.534, a projected gain near 0.5%. Another prediction by Crypto Predictions expects Uniswap may climb to $3.648, roughly 3.8% above now. To conclude, Gov Capital Collector targets $3.731 by tomorrow with 6.1% upside. This one holds the top earning potential. You've now seen 5 forecasts. Let's move ahead. We've gathered all the predictions. Here's the analytical view. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a decline of 4.6% and a gain of 6.1%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, Gov Capital Collector comes out on top with 6.1% boost in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could generate between $5 and $61 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy at 90.4%. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. Consensus estimate place Uniswap near $3.544, reflecting an upward move of about 0.8%. Let's review the details step by step. The consensus scenario highlights a 0.8% gain under today's conditions. In line with that same percentage, your capital could also register an increase. On each 1,000 of capital, this projection might reflect about $8 in growth. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 89%. Right here, let's look at the expected price movement across the next 3 days according to analysts. 30 rates points to further downside potential. Meanwhile, Traders Union expects a bearish continuation. Also, CoinCodex highlights a bearish short-term picture. Crypto Predictions signals the price is moving on to higher ground. Meanwhile, Gov Capital Collector sees the chart tilted toward growth. The consensus result shows Uniswap positioned on an upward course throughout this short-term horizon. Bringing these perspectives together, 60% of analysts foresee Uniswap moving downward. 5 forecasts were posted 2 days ago. Now we can compare them with what happened yesterday. As a result, yesterday concluded with the price at $3.527. With the price moving that way, all 5 predictions were correct about the direction. Top result for precision went to digital coin price. Now we move from the overview to the specifics. A total of 4 predictions ended up inside the daily range. Speaking of ROI, it was a full win. All analysts gained and digital coin price led with 3.5%. Here's the combined results. Every forecast tested and displayed. In comparison, CoinDataFlow was assigned a forecast probability of 91.9% in accuracy and 0.1% ROI. Take a moment. Who do you think made the most accurate forecast? Now you'll see how tomorrow's forecasted gains differ between Uniswap and several other coins. According to tomorrow's forecasts, Uniswap stands at 4th place, and Optimism shows 4% potential return. At the moment, you can see just 5 coins, and the detailed comparison of forecasted returns across many cryptocurrencies will also be added to my website and Telegram. If you like being in the loop without the extra work, hit like and subscribe for more daily comparisons. Stay well and see you tomorrow.